you doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're fine. I hope you're pumping. Okay, so you guys, welcome to my channel today. Yeah, my name is Blessing Elega, and this is FGV TV. Yeah, in this place, we talk about wealth creation. We talk about financial literacy. We talk about real estate investment. We talk about all the good stuffs in between, such as my life as a realtor living in Nigeria. Okay, so you guys, you're welcome to my video today. Yeah, as you saw in the title, this video is talking about business ideas that you can start with little or no capital at all. I am sure you like the sound of that. Yeah, so this is very important because in Nigeria today, guys, if you do not have another source of income, there is trouble big time. So it doesn't matter what you're doing, you need to start thinking of something you can do on the side to give you extra cash. Before we proceed, I want to request that you kindly subscribe to my channel, all right, because I know that you're going to be getting value all the way. You get value for your time, you get value for that subscription. Okay, all right, so also do well to share this video to your friends and advise them to subscribe to the channel where you are getting tips to create wealth, not just any wealth, transgenerational wealth. All right, okay, so let's get right into today's video. Also ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any of the ideas I will be sharing today. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, I'm so excited because I like to talk about money. The cocoa. Hey. All right, so the first business idea on my list today that you can start with zero capital. Like, you don't need any money to start it. All you need is your brain, your hands, your legs, and maybe your smartphone. Is real estate investment consultancy. Yeah, you heard me right. The name sounds very big, Abby, but see, guys, you don't need any money to start it. I started this business with zero capital. All you need is your determination, your decision, your heart in it. See, let me tell you something. There is no business that does not have money. The question is if you are ready to put in the effort. There is money in every business. Are you ready to put in the effort? And any business you do as a side hustle will give you side hustle money. That business you are calling a side hustle, someone else's full-time business, and the person is cashing out big time. So any business you call side hustle will be a side hustle for you. I am not against having side hustles, all right? What I'm just saying is, some people may say this business idea don't have money. How did you do it? Did you do it well? Did you put in the effort? Did you put in the time? So there is money in every business. I'm not saying you should do everything. I am saying that you should look out for the one that you can do and determine to do it well so that you can get what results, because people are cashing out big from all of these business ideas I'm going to be sharing today. So back to our first point, real estate investment consultancy. Yes, when you decide to do this business, you will be called a realtor, you'll be called a real estate investment expert, a real estate investment consultant. Some people will even call you a real estate agent. Well, I'm not a real estate agent. I'm a consultant, I'm an expert. All right. So how do you start this business? All you need is to register with a legit brokerage company that will cover you and give you legit properties. Yes, like the brokerage company I work with, ensure that we sell properties that will not put us into trouble. So you get these properties and you advertise them and earn amazing commissions from selling any of our properties. This brokerage company, such as mine, will give you free training free tools that you need, regular training, and they are not just cheap training. All the tips that you need to get started will be given to you for free. You have access to mentors, to coaches. I mean, what else are you looking for? All you need is go through the list of properties we have. You can't sell everything. Look out for the ones that you feel that or you believe that you can sell and market them well. You can earn anywhere between 10 to 15% on the properties you sell. For example, you sell a property of 5 million naira. Guess what? You are going home with 500,000 naira cool cash. Yeah, so if you do this business well, just like me, you can earn at least 500,000 naira monthly selling properties that are not even yours. Legal properties, legit properties that will not put you into trouble, and you do not need any capital to start this business. I'll be putting a link in the comment section. For now, I cannot put it in the description. I will put a link in the comment section. If you are interested in starting this business as a real estate investment consultant in Nigeria, just click on the link and we'll get you started immediately. Trust me, this business is selling and it will continue to sell so long as people need homes, people need houses, people need a roof over their head, and there is land. I mean, when God created it, He gave us enough land. Land cannot finish. So this business will always sell, so long as you are ready to do it well. Anything that will put money in your pocket is work. There is no money going through in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. People do not pick money on the floor. So if you want to cash out from any business at all, not just this one I have mentioned, you need to put in the work. All right, so let's go to the next one. Number 2 on my list is driving. Driving will never go into extinction. You do not need any money to start this business. All you need is your driving experience, your driver's license, and I think a license or so. That's all. You can either register as a Uber driver, a boat driver, and then there are a lot of them. You don't even need to own your own car to go into driving. You can earn as a driver for a company or for a household. You can earn as a driver doing hire purchase. Get someone who can buy a vehicle, gives it to you on trust. Maybe you work and you pay back the person weekly, monthly, depending on the arrangement you have with the person. Or you can do it to buy back the vehicle. I know someone who has done this, and guess what? He has moved from having tricycles to having small buses. So what are we now saying? All you need is to have a trustworthy character. Be honest. A lot of young people do not have all these opportunities available to them because they are not trustworthy. Your character is very important in any kind of business you want to do. Your reputation is very important. So please, if you don't have sound character, work on having one so that you can enjoy from this business of being a driver. You can even scale up the business and go into full-time transportation. Yes, you can grow if you are diligent. You can go into buying vehicles and giving it out to younger people. All right. So the next one on our list is drop shipping. You guys have done drop shipping before, and I know what I'm saying. There is money to be made in drop shipping. You don't need any money to start it. Why do you need to start dropshipping? First of all, I will advise, when you want to do dropshipping, do dropshipping with a product that is sellable. A product that is what? That is sellable. You can do dropshipping for any kind of product too. People do dropshipping for food items. People do dropshipping for hair. When I did dropshipping, I was doing dropshipping for weaves. Yes. And you can make as much as 5,000 naira, 8,000 naira, 10,000 naira on a product sold. Now imagine if you sell up to 10 products per day. Now, how does dropshipping work? Dropshipping simply means having a supplier who is willing to supply all those products when your buyer needs them. Then you guys, I know I paused your watch time to do this. Please, as you are getting value, just smash the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Share this video with your loved ones, your friends and family, because they need to hear this. Also, put on your notification notification bell so that you can get notified when I post new videos and you do not miss any of the value I am bringing your way. Then you go out, look for buyers, advertise. When buyers come to you, you don't need to have the products on ground, you don't need to buy them. If buyers send you money for it, you go and buy and you deliver to the buyers. You buy from your supplier and you deliver to the buyers. You go to your supplier, get pictures of new stock, new products, advertise on your WhatsApp status, on your social media platform. When people show interest, you simply get it, tell them to pay you. When they pay you, you will simply get from your supplier and you deliver to the buyer. It's as simple as that. In between, you remove your own profits. Shikena. A lot of people are cashing out from dropshipping. Trust me, it will work so long as you are ready to put in the work. Let's go to the next one on my list. This one is see, in this Lagos, in this Nigeria, now we lazy, now you go say wetin, you no get wetin they do. The next one is what? Cooking. All you need to do is to know how to cook well. Tell people, I can cook well, I can cook this, I can cook that, and continue to improve on your skills. People will give you money to cook for them. You will cook and go and deliver to them. You are the one that will go to the market. You know how to ration these things. You will make profit from just going to buy the items you are going to cook or the ingredients. You also charge money for cooking, for the cooking of the food itself. Now, when it's even more interesting when you have up to 10 people order for the same kind of food. You charge them based on individual basis, and you buy the ingredients in bulk and cook. When you cook, you make profits from going to buy these ingredients in the market, and you also charge them for, they call it workmanship. Yes, for the cooking, you move your own money, and I'm sure that by the time you are packing, there will still be food in the pots. You know now, you know what this means, to take care of yourself and your family. The next one on my list is grocery delivery. Just be an honest person and have time. That's all. I can help you go to the market too. Be honest. When you are honest, people will refer you. Be honest and have time to go to the market. That's all. And have eyes for good things. People will send you. I mean, you're not doing this for free now, so they will pay you for it. You also need to be accountable. See, when you are accountable, you are honest, you are straight to the point, and you have eyes for good things. Why not? People will refer you. People will refer you. So doing grocery delivery is another business you can start with. No capital, you don't need any money. Open your mouth and tell people, I can go to the market for you. A lot of us are ashamed of doing things. I don't know. Pride cannot help you when you are talking about how to make money. Pride will not help you. Drop your pride. Be ready to get dirty. Get your hands dirty. It is money we are talking about. There's a lot of money to pack in Nigeria. All you need to do is to be determined to work. There is no food for a lazy man. What's the next one on our list? Cleaning services. People's homes need to be cleaned. Offices need to be cleaned. Go and tell them, I clean well. I can clean your office. Yes, I know that as one person is not easy. You can scale it up and go into having people who you send out to go and clean places for you. I do not want this video to be up to 15 minutes. I really wish. There are a lot of things I want to say. Maybe we are going to have a part 2, but I know that you have gotten value from this few I've mentioned. Please decide on the one you want to act on and go all out for it. Trust me, you're going to get results, okay? Even especially as another year is coming. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.